Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am really excited for today because this has never happened to me in the history of me being subscribed to Boxycharm. We have a double unboxing today. I'm really excited to see what I got this month. So if you want to see me do this double unboxing for the first time ever on my channel, then keep on watching. So we're gonna start with the $25 base box. First off, if you're not familiar with Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service. So you can pay $25 a month and you're guaranteed 5 full-size items and a guaranteed value of over $125. Or you can get the premium and pay month to month for $35 and you're guaranteed 6 to 7 full-size items. And I think the value of that is like over $175. On top, I see we have a card. This month's theme is Harvest. And let's go ahead and get started. So, I also have a 25% off Natasha Denona coupon. NDX Boxy. I'll put it on the screen. I don't think I'll be using this, so enjoy the 25% off site-wide. First thing I got in here is something that I actually picked. So you're able to customize one item in this box. Fit Gimme Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. This retails for $24. It's literally already like the price of the box. And I picked the shade 5. I'm not sure what shade this, like, is this brown? I think I picked brown, but yeah. So I got this. I like brow gels because girl, brow hairs be like having a mind of their own. Next, I see we have this half-caked Game Changer Lip Fondant Trio. This retails for $32. And it's just 3 liquid lipsticks in here, but they're calling it lip fondant. Okay, this packaging is so cute. It looks like a card. Okay, so we have these 3 shades in here. These are really pretty. These are really pretty shades, and $32 for these 3 lips. You get 3, so I guess that's not too bad of a price. Maybe it kind of is. I don't really know. Next, we have this Versali Quench. This is a serum. This retails for $24. I've heard so many good things about the brand Versali. So this is the serum that I got. I love serums. I'm obsessed with them, and I'm really excited to try out this brand because I've never tried them before. But I already know with those 3 items, we are already well over the price of the box. So the next thing I see in here is from the brand Jekka Black. This is a liquid corrector. This retails for $15, and it says it's a new launch, which is pretty cool. So I like that they're including a new product from this brand in Boxycharm. An under eye brightener. It disguises darkness and evens out skin tone. The lightweight formula creates a natural glowing finish. So I'm guessing this is a corrector that's good for all skin tones. That kind of scares me. So this is what it looks like. It's pink. This is really interesting. I am very excited to try this. Then we have one more product in this base box. This is the 1-1 Skin Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster. This retails for, I know you lying. This retails for $135. You guys, I don't understand who buys these things. Oh, and it's small. How much product do you get in here? 20 milliliters. $100? $100+ for this. So let me add up the value of this box before we move on to the premium. So we have 135 plus 24 plus 24 plus 32 plus 15. Wow! So the value of this box was $230. That's pretty good. I will say that this is definitely not my favorite box. I get so much skincare from Boxycharm. I love skincare, but your girl's still trying to use stuff from like 4 months ago that I got in my Boxycharms. But yeah, this was definitely not my favorite box. I think my favorite product in here was the product that I picked, and that's the Benefit Brow Gel. One thing I noticed that I didn't get in my base box was the Natasha Denona palette, and they said that 1 million people would be getting that palette, and I was not one of those 1 million people. Let's see what premium is working with. Premium, you gotta beat $230. So let's go ahead and open this one. Where's my card? Oh, here it is. It's like under this thing. All right. right, so we got our card here, a ton of bubble wrap. Oh my gosh. Okay, I saw a sneak peek of this and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I was like, oh my god, I really hope that I get this. I hope that I get this. This is let me look at my card. This is the Pure 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powder Face Palette. This retails for $32 and this is a new launch, you guys. This is a new product that Pure just came out with and it's in Boxycharm Premium. Okay, this was like literally almost the price of this box and it's a new product and I got the shade Deep Dark. I'm so happy that I got a palette that is for my skin tone. They must have looked at my quiz. Oh, by the way, I did say last month that I got rid of my Boxycharm Premium and I was like, oh my god, November is pop-up month and I want to shop early. So I was like, let me just get it again for this month, for November. So I got it for November. And luckily the sneak peeks that I saw for the premium of this month, I really was excited about. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is so sleek and pretty. So you can't really see because it's white and it's washed out. Oh, this is perfect. Oh my gosh, this is perfect for me. I'm so excited. I got a product that actually works. So we have a translucent powder right here, a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter. Wow, this is literally everything that you need. Wow, let me swatch the, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this highlighter. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. Let's do the blush. Let's do the bronzer. Honestly, the bronzer is more of a contour for me because it's pretty deep, but that blush is like a terracotta blush. Love that. Definitely gonna be a contour for me. And then we have a face powder to set. Wow, I'm really happy about this product. Okay, so this is the Grown Alchemist Detox Night Cream. This retails for $125. Hold up. Oh my gosh, you guys. This box, okay, don't be mistaken by this box because literally the product starts right here. Like, what? You guys, this is a night cream. Wow, look at the boxes and the product are just, this is, I don't know. But wow, I might have to give this a try. This looks kind of intimidating. Like, it looks kind of scary. I don't know, this says it's supposed to detox and rejuvenate the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, resulting in radiant and youthful looking skin. I will give this a try. Stuff that looks like this kind of scares me. This is already worth the whole box, you guys. This was $125 though. Next up we have the, okay, what? We have a Smashbox Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder. This retails for $39. It's a weightless setting powder featuring a built-in powderizer that grinds the finest, freshest powder to set makeup, mattify shine, and blur skin. One twist grinds pressed powder into a light diffusing micro powder. Okay, I'm so intrigued. One thing I love about Smashbox is that everything is like camera lens, and I think that that's so unique and cool. I got the shade 02. I don't really know what. Okay, so this is so cute. This is so heavy, but it looks like a camera lens. Wow. Oh, how do you open this? Oh, so you just like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. It says get fresh powder with every twist. So it says twist for fresh powder. So you just twist it. Wow. Okay, so I am not going to use this right now, but I'm really happy that I got this because I love, the shade doesn't look, it looks like it has like a yellowy kind of tint, which are the kind of powders that I love. So I'm really excited to have this, and if I like it, I will be repurchasing another one. I'm very intrigued by this. Like I said, this is $39, which is pretty expensive for a setting powder, but hello, it's Smashbox. Next, we have this Real Her Lip Liner Duo. This retails for $25, infused with jojoba seed oil and shea butter. Ooh, providing a smooth application and a natural matte finish. Choose between a deep nude or true red. Oh yeah, that is a nude that I could definitely get behind. I don't know if you guys could see it. I've been getting a lot of lip liners in my Boxycharm lately, which I'm not really mad at. Okay, yeah, I can definitely use both of these. You can't really see the nude, but I have a lipstick of that color. All right, we have 2 more products in this box, and the next one is from Dose of Colors. It's a Block Party single shadow, and this retails for $20. It's in the shade I Need Space. That's cute. I like that shade name. I don't really use much single shadows, especially ones like this that literally come in a compact. Like, okay, the packaging is so cute. I just feel like single shadows are so inconvenient if it's not in like a magnetic palette. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. Do you guys see this? Oh my gosh. What kind of shadow? Whoa, this is like a deep, oh my god, hold on. Hold up. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. This just shut me up. Like, this is so beautiful. Wow. It's like not a matte, but it's like one of those shades that would be perfect for like a smoky eye. But I'm not gonna lie, $20 for a single shadow is really, really pricey. We got one more product to unbox, and that is these brushes. This is from the brand COSMETIC. This is a skincare brush set. This is $25, and it's also a new launch. I'm loving the new launches. So these brushes are pretty cool. So one is a cleansing brush, and the other is a dual-sided silicone mask applicator. Love this. Will definitely be using this. I'm obsessed with skincare. It's amazing. I'm obsessed with it just like I'm obsessed with makeup. So let's add up the value of this box. We have 125 plus 39 plus 32 plus 25 plus 20 plus 25. I think I got everything. So the value of the premium is $266. In my honest opinion, I feel like premium killed it this month. Let's just be real though. Premium has not been good for the past couple of months, but they killed it with this November box. There were so many different luxury brands in here, literally like Smashbox, Dose of Colors, Pure. Like, I'm really happy with this box, and I definitely feel like I got my $32 plus tax worth it. With the November boxes for this month, I honestly think that the premium wins. I didn't really care for the base box this month, but that's okay. Like, some months you get both boxes are your favorite, but this month premium killed it, and I haven't had a really good premium box in a long time, so I'm loving this. I'm really happy with my premium box. I'm really happy I got to do this double unboxing, you guys, because this is my first time getting to do it, and my boxes just came at the same time today, and I was really happy about that. I didn't even know that they shipped. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.